Hi, my name is Kevin, and I'm going to show you how to use Education.com's resources with Google Classroom. If you're a teacher, there's a good chance you're using Google Classroom. The free program is a powerful education tool centralizing everything from attendance to classroom discussion. But did you know you could use it to access all the worksheets and other resources on Education.com? If you have a subscription, it's easy to assign your students work from Education.com, and I'll show you how. First, after logging into Google Classroom, go to Education.com and log in. Then, search for worksheets on the topic you need in the search bar at the top. For this example, let's look at what Education.com has for addition. Look at all those results. Let's narrow it down to just worksheets by clicking the link near the top of the page. Then, click on the first grade on the left column, just to narrow our results further. Look for an assignment you'd like to use, and open it. Near the social media buttons on the top right corner of the page, you'll see a Google Classroom logo. If you don't see it, you need to go to Settings and confirm that a teacher is using this account. Refresh the page to make sure the Google logo appears, and then click on it. A new window will open up with a drop-down menu. Click on it and choose the class the assignment is for. After picking the class, you'll be given 4 choices. Creating a new assignment, which is what we want to do, is at the top. Then click on the Go button on the bottom right of the page. A new window will open up with a form to fill out. You won't be able to assign the worksheet until you give it a title. Here, you can choose the due date, topic, and also add instructions. You have some options here too, such as scheduling the assignment for a later date or saving it as a draft. Once assigned, you can go into your Google Classroom account where the worksheet will appear in your feed. You'll also be able to monitor your students as they complete the task. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoy using Google Classroom to assign Education.com resources.